Meaning of firelight.
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 Firelight. Firelight refers to the illumination produced by a fire, especially when it is dim or subtle. The warm glow of the flames can create a cozy and inviting atmosphere, reminiscent of a hearth or campfire. It can evoke feelings of comfort, security, and relaxation. Firelight is often associated with intimate moments, such as sharing stories or enjoying a romantic evening. Overall, firelight represents the primal appeal of fire as a source of light, warmth, and human connection.